In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Xero financial statements. If you're managing your business financials, producing accurate statements is key, and Xero makes this process straightforward. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open the Xero website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the dashboard where all your financial information is neatly organized. The next step is to navigate to the reporting section. This is where Xero keeps all its comprehensive report tools, allowing you to generate various financial statements, including the balance sheet, which we will focus on today. In the reporting section, you'll see an option for the balance sheet. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a basic balance sheet for your business. But wait, don't stop there. You have the flexibility to select the specific date for which you want to view the financial information. This is particularly useful if you're looking to examine your financial position at a particular point in time, whether it's the end of the financial year or a recent quarter. Xero also allows you to compare your current financial data with previous periods. You'll find an option to select where you want to compare this data. This is incredibly beneficial for tracking your business's growth or identifying any recurring financial patterns. Once you've set your date and comparison preferences, simply click on the Update button. This will refresh the report to reflect your selected parameters, giving you an accurate snapshot of your financials based on the options you chose. Once you're happy with the report, Xero offers a couple of handy features to make sure what you've created can be easily reviewed or shared. You can click Save As to keep a copy of this particular version of your report in your Xero account for easy access later. If collaboration is key and you need to share these insights with colleagues or stakeholders, Xero makes it straightforward by allowing you to click Export. This action lets you download the balance sheet in various formats like PDF or Excel, ensuring that your report is ready for any kind of presentation or further analysis. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently prepare and manage your financial statements using Xero. Keep practicing, and soon, creating these important documents will be second nature. If you ever run into problems, Xero's support and documentation are always available to help you navigate any challenges. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keeping on top of your financials is a step towards greater business success. Happy reporting.